to Silkytreat Channel Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 20 minutes start to finish. Caramel sauce. Ingredients: 200 grams of sugar, 50 grams of cold butter, 250 grams of fresh cream or tepid milk. Optional: vanilla extract. Preparation: in a large pan insert the sugar, let melt on low heat, do not stir. Once the sugar is melted with a nice light brown coloring, insert 50 grams of cold butter, mix with a wood spoon. Next add the fresh cream or milk and stir until you get a nice syrup consistency. It may look liquid, but once you store it in a jar it will become a bit thicker. Enjoy on all kind of desserts. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment if you wish.